Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Google Chrome browser on Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11 installed, and to download and install Google Chrome browser, simply go and open up your Microsoft Edge browser. So open up Edge browser. We will go into the new tab here, and here you need to type in for Google Chrome and hit enter. So here you can see googlechrome.com. Just go and click on this, and this would open up the Google Chrome site. Here we go. Now simply go and click on download Chrome, and here you can see thanks for downloading, just a few steps away. In case if the download doesn't start automatically, you can click on download Chrome manually and it would start downloading. Here you can see. So here we have Chrome setup. Just go and open this up. In case if you do not open it from here, you can always go to the download folder and open it from there. Now here you can see the downloading has started, and within few moments you will be able to see that the download is complete, and after that the installation process of Google Chrome on Windows 11 will start. So simply wait a bit. We're almost there. So here you can see download complete. Please wait for a while installing, and the installation would take hardly 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending upon your computer RAM and processor speed, etc, etc. So wait for this installation to complete. Here we go, it's almost complete, and here you can see we have the Google Chrome browser installed on Windows 11. So you can simply go and click on get started. So it would ask you to sign into your Google account. If you do not want to, you can simply go and close this, and you can use it as you want. For example, I go with and hit enter. So here you can see, here we are. So it's now working. So hope by doing so you'll be able to download and install Google Chrome browser on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.